Little terror of destruction at work again. There's something about my diaries, eh? You love them. Ooh. You've detached it completely. So sometimes you wake up in very tornado mood. You're in one of those destructive moods today. Hmm? You in destructive mood. You gonna calm down soon? Oh, look at your feet. Oh man, I can't get over how big your feet are. You're still quite small for a puppy, but your feet are huge. Oh boy. You're still little. Well, I hope you don't get too big, honey girl. Those feet. Oh my goodness. Oh, there goes my 2021 year planner. Oh. Just got eaten. At least you haven't wrecked your, what is this, horse yet. It's still in one piece. You gonna calm down yet? Okay, you get that out of your system. Get all of that out of your system. What the heck have you got stuck on your fur here? Oh man. What's this? Gotta give you a bath.